Welcome back to Electrified Deliveries, where I use my Tesla Model 3 and do Uber Eats deliveries. Saturday night, we're going to have a good night because we're starting off with a good one. $11 for only 15 minutes. This probably has a hidden tip. I'm really excited for a very amazing Saturday night. Hi, Uber Eats for Alyssa? Oh, it's ready. Thank you so much. Perfect. You too. Take care.
Take care.
You gotta love that. $11 in under 10 minutes. Absolutely love those. It could be more if there's a hidden tip attached to it. But one of my subscribers asked a question on a video recently asking about acceptance rate and does it matter? What's my opinion? Well, my acceptance rate currently, I'm gonna put it up on the screen, is 39%. I did videos a while back where I kept score in terms of who tipped and didn't tip, and it was about 50-50. If you watch those videos, you'll see that I got just as much non-tippers as I did tips, just a matter of how many big tips you get. So that 39% is fairly accurate for me. I do take some that I'm sure a lot of you think is fairly suspect, but does it matter? That's the big question. On Uber Eats, I don't think it matters at all. Good orders are still gonna come, but I do find that there's a flow that happens. I have found that when I take orders early, I can get orders to roll and I can get more and more orders. If I start declining orders, I have noticed that once I decline a whole bunch in a row, that I get crickets. Uber stops giving me orders. Sometimes when you take those okay orders, that sometimes they reward you with some good orders. So does it matter? In the grand scheme of things, no. Take what works for you. That's my advice. But for me, I'm gonna take ones to keep moving. I hate sitting still. I can only do one app because DoorDash says there's too many drivers. Skip the Dishes, which is our equivalent of Grubhub, says they have too many drivers. So for me, Uber Eats is it, unless I want to do Instacart, and we all know how a great shopper I am. Not very good at all. Instacart is not in my future, at least at this point in time. But I'd love to know your thoughts. Does acceptance rate matter? What's your acceptance rate? Drop it in the comments below. I'll keep you updated when I get my next order. So Uber has been giving me nothing but crappy offer after crappy offer. I've probably declined like 10 in a row. It's been really, really bad until this one, $7 for 13 minutes. Really excited. It was a trip radar and it matched, so I got it. But just an update, probably because I've been declining so much, they've just given me a quest where every 3 orders, I'm gonna get $6, $9, and $12. So I might take some orders that are suspect, ones that you're gonna roll your eyes. My goal is always to chase these incentives so I can make the most money. I don't care who's giving me the money, whether that's Uber or the customer, just show me the money. Can you see if that's 7846 Uber? Perfect, thank you, appreciate it. Orders have been slow coming in. All I've been getting is long orders, low pay, not worth taking. This one's not worth taking, $3.59, 10 minutes, but only because it's a quest. I want to knock it off, walk up that tier, and hopefully make big money. Hi, Uber Eats for Dio.
Is it a live cam?
What's that?
Is it a live cam?
Is it live? No.
Is it recording one?
It just records, yeah. I recorded end to end, so then it should, like, I can show that I was never tampered with it or that the customer said they didn't get it. So I just record the whole night, but it's not live. The offers coming in have been horrible tonight. We're talking $4.02 for 35 minutes, $8 for almost an hour. Absolute crap, did not take it. I did take this one, it's another bad one. Another no tip customer, $3, 11 minutes. But that's gonna get the first tier of the quest for an extra $6 on top of that. But I also have some really great news. I'm really excited about it. The very first drop off that I had, which had a hidden tip, so it only showed $8. The customer tipped $23.56. So that order was $26.53 for 10 minutes. Absolute amazing. I love when customers support us like that. Thank you, Miss Customer. I absolutely love that. But let's go get this crappy one.
You do live stream?
No, I don't do live streams. I just record the whole process.
Okay.
Awesome, appreciate it. Thank you. After 2 non-tip orders, thankfully, I got a really good one. $13.18 for only 25 minutes. I love that one. Let's go grab it. Uber Eats for Matthew. Perfect, thank you. Yeah. All right, delivery for Matthew.
Hey,
thank you, enjoy.
Odie, come on. Hey.
The night is continuing to roll and I'm working my way up that quest. Which brings me to this offer that I just got, $6.58 for 15 minutes. It was a trip radar. I tried to get the screenshot, but it went way too fast. Let's go grab it. Hi, Uber Eats pickup for Jamie. Wonderful, it's ready, thank you. Appreciate that.
Good night.
You too.
Thank you.
How you doing tonight?
Hey, sorry, I was coming out.
Yeah, no worries at all. I always just, when it's a meet at door, I always, once I park, I let you know I'm here.
Double camera?
Yeah.
Genius.
Perfect.
Thank you. Have a good night.
You too. Take care.
Bye.
Bye. So we're back to taking some not great orders, actually really bad orders. The first one, $5.50 for 20 minutes. I took it because that's going to get me the extra $9 for the quest. Happy about that. And it's going to take me back to an area that I like to deliver in. They just gave me an add-on for $3 for an extra 14 minutes. So let's get them both. And then after that, we only have 2 more to do. Hi, picking up for Uber Eats, 5164.
Yeah, these two.
Perfect, thank you. Hi, Uber Eats for Sarah. Perfect.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi, delivery.
Hi, thank you.
Thanks. Have a good night. Okay, we got our final 2 for the evening. That's going to complete the quest, and that's going to give me an extra $12. It's not great. $7.01 for 29 minutes, 11 kilometers. As I said, not great, but it's going to be $19.01 after this. Before I grab it, let me invite you to like this video and subscribe to the channel. While you do that, I'm going to go grab this one. Hi, I'm picking up 2 orders for Uber Eats. So the quest is now finished, in the books, finito, and that's going to be my night. I'm going to end with $102.40. I was out just over 4 hours, so I'm going to call it $25 an hour. But I needed a lot of luck. I needed a $24 tip, basically. I needed a quest to start giving me an extra $27. That's pretty much half of it. But you know what? Money's money. It's going in my bank account. I will take it. Really happy with this evening. But thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Until next time, take care.